Are you tired of high heating bills during the winter months? Do you want to save money on your heating costs without sacrificing comfort? In this video, we will provide you with some practical tips on how to save money on your heating bill. Tip #1. Seal your home. One of the easiest ways to save money on your heating bill is to seal your home. This means checking for any drafts or leaks around windows, doors, and other openings. You can use weather stripping, caulking, or foam insulation to seal these areas and prevent heat from escaping. Tip #2. Use a programmable thermostat. A programmable thermostat allows you to set the temperature in your home based on your schedule. You can lower the temperature when you are away from home or sleeping, and raise it when you are awake and active. This can save you up to 10% on your heating bill. Tip #3. Use energy-efficient heating systems. If you are in the market for a new heating system, consider purchasing an energy-efficient model. These systems use less energy to heat your home, which can save you money in the long run. Look for systems with high annual fuel utilization efficiency ratings. Tip #4. Use curtains and blinds. Curtains and blinds can help keep your home warm by blocking drafts and trapping heat. Open your curtains during the day to let in natural sunlight, and close them at night to keep the heat in. Tip #5. Use space heaters. If you only need to heat a small area of your home, consider using a space heater instead of turning up the thermostat. This can save you money on your heating bill by only heating the areas you need. By following these tips, you can save money on your heating bill without sacrificing comfort. Stay tuned for more tips in the next segment of this video.